Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Fun Fold Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the stamp set called Wildflower Celebrations, as well as the Wildflower Birthday 12 by 12 designer series paper. This is a piece of soft sea foam. It is sized 5.5 inches tall by 11 inches wide, and we are scoring at 2 3/4 and 5.5. Then I'm going to turn it round, and on the short side, I'm going to cut 1 1/4 inches off. So that is my strip of the Z-fold, I guess. So a Z-fold is, I don't know if this is called a Z-fold, you guys. I'm assuming it is a double Z-fold. So you fold it in half and then you fold the half on itself. So there's the card base. This is the mechanism that you stick on top of it. And you fold this one in half exactly the same way, but we're going to fold the scored piece the same way, but we're going to put it on the opposite way. So that's how it's going to go on. So here is a piece of designer series paper that is 5 1/4 by 4, and it will fit right inside the inside. Now I added a piece of basic white. I didn't want to take too much away from the paper, so I'm not going to give the size out, but you can certainly add what you need. So these two pieces are 2.5 inches wide and 4 inches tall. And there's two pieces that you require. So that's it for the card. Like I said, I did put a piece of white here. I can't remember the size, to be honest. But I think there's, I don't know. It's just a little bit smaller by about an inch on the right, or the top and the bottom. Anyway, you know what? You do you when you're putting your little sentiment piece in. Okay, so here's the strip. And the designer series paper, you need one piece that is 1 inches by 5 1/4. So that's this one. And then these two pieces are 1 inches tall by 2.5 inches wide. And they're going to fit on the smally bendy parts. So I'm using Seal Plus, which is my favorite adhesive. And boy, oh boy, do things get stuck there with that adhesive. You're not going to have any problems putting and having anything fall apart. So I've put the two pieces on those two folded parts. And then here comes the long strip. And you guys don't have to worry about writing any of these things down. I do have a PDF that you can just download from my blog. I'll put the link in the description box below, and you can download it as you wish. So I flipped it over, and on half of the long side, I put adhesive, and on the small side, or the little scored piece, I'm putting some adhesive. So you just don't want to stick it all down so the mechanism's not going to work. So I folded this over. I put this about an inch from the bottom, and I put that soft sea foam right to the edge. You can see me snugging it up right there. And I think maybe it's only 1/2 inch up because I just wanted the bottom. So you can see how everything folds straight. And then here comes that Wildflower Birthday 12 by 12 designer series paper. It does come with a sticker sheet, but this also has like these lovely die cuts. And I used 4 of these cupcakes and the pink cake on the bottom left-hand side and the balloon. So I am trying to get through some of these lovely die cuts. This is such a pretty paper. It's got gold to it. I quite like using it for birthdays. I've done a couple of fun folds with this. So I know we're about to get the new catalog here shortly, and I will be moving on. But, while I have it in my stash, I'm using it. So the cake I'm going to put on this side. And truly, this card works with things that can pop up and, you know, that are smaller, I would say decorate to your heart's content. Just make sure that it remains flat. Don't put a lot of dimensional stuff on it. I'm putting this lovely pink birthday cake. I mean, I would be happy to get a cake like this for my birthday, wouldn't you? Yeah, so nice. 3 tiers, no less. I wouldn't be able to eat like even one of the tiers, but I don't like sweet things anymore. I'm now into salty. Anyway, you didn't need to know that, right? So here is the cupcakes. And this cupcake I'm going to sandwich between the, well, you can see what I'm doing. I had to sandwich it so that when it's closed, you're going to see a cupcake. And then when it's open, you're going to see a cupcake. So they are not 100% even, but they're pretty darn close. So that was the only one I wanted to make sure that I could see. And then I used a dimensional on the balloon because that balloon is going on that front piece, and then I just put glue on the string. Just pop it up a little bit. The sentiment's going to go there. I did not forget about the sentiment. So now I have my other two cupcakes. I'm going to put that one on the bottom and then share a little bit of space with the other one. And now don't they look cute? Aw, hee. So it's like cupcake, 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 then a big cake and a balloon. So I am stamping with, this is Pool Party. I just picked the colors from the designer series paper. So Pool Party it is. I'm stamping on a piece of basic white and it says best birthday ever. I suppose you could use this for scrapbooking. I trimmed it down. This is my little trimmer. If you've been around for a while, you know that this was on sale by Stampin' Up. And they don't have it anymore, which is sad. I wish they did. It is a nice little extra thing. I keep it on my desk all the time. And although I don't share that I cut with it on the videos just because you can't buy it anymore, but I use it all the time. It's extremely handy for me. Anyway, so I trimmed down the pieces that say, or the sentiments that say best birthday ever, and with dimensional adhesive. And that is my share for today. You can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section on YouTube or in the supply section of my blog. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store where I would love to meet you and earn your business. So thank you so much for spending time with me today, for all the comments you leave, for the thumbs up and all the YouTube-y things. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it as it really helps my small channel grow. Thanks again for watching, and bye for now.